Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to compare Roborock Qrevo Master and Dreame X40 Ultra. The Roborock Qrevo Master delivers elite cleaning with flexi-arm design for thorough coverage, hyperforce suction power, a dual-roller razor brush, and the advanced multifunctional dock. It offers both manual water tank replacement with flexible dock placement and an option with a refill and drainage system for automated water replacement, with pre-check installation required. Roborock's exclusive flexi-arm design side brush and edge mopping system eliminate blind spots for unparalleled coverage. With 10,000 pascals hyperforce suction and dual all-rubber counter-rotating rollers, it captures hair, dust, and debris across hardwood, tiles, and carpets with extraordinary cleanliness. The Roborock Carpet Boost Plus system ensures 99% hair removal from carpets, delivering deeper and more rigorous cleaning results. Its dual rubber spiral brush design prevents tangling, while concealed scrapers in the cover remove hair effectively. The upgraded multifunctional dock provides enhanced mop washing and self-cleaning for a hands-free experience. A newly incorporated self-driven cleaning module uses rotating scrapers to clean the dock base bottom, reducing manual maintenance. All self-cleaning module accessories and the dock base are detachable for easy washing when required. With a built-in intelligent voice assistant and reactive AI obstacle recognition, the Qrevo Master ensures smooth, pristine, and efficient cleanups. The Dreame X40 Ultra delivers boundless reach and flawless cleaning with its extendable and liftable side brush, smart mop and washboard cleaning, and Mop Extend Robo Swing technology. Powered by 12,000 Pascal Vormax suction, it ensures ultimate performance, while Omni Dirt Detection technology adapts cleaning intelligently. The side reach design allows the liftable side brush to move over 10 mm up and down in sync with the mop and main brush, efficiently separating wet and dry cleaning. Its extended side brush reaches into tight spots like wall corners and around furniture legs to sweep hair, crumbs, dirt, and debris. The liftable mop enhances the sweeping experience by adjusting the cleaning height and protecting carpets. During mop cleaning, the X40 Ultra cleans its washboard to reduce stains and odors. The removable mop ensures upgraded carpet cleaning by preventing wetting of medium and high pile carpets. Tests in Dreame Lab confirm the 10 mm lifting height for the side brush, and a 10.5 mm difference in robot vacuum height before and after mop lifting. For carpets with piles over 3 mm, users are advised to set the robot vacuum to avoid medium and high pile carpets via the Dreame Home app. With its precision mopping strategy, powerful suction, and hands-free base station, the X40 Ultra redefines hassle-free home cleaning. That is it. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more videos.